So now that you know how to arrange the pieces, right? You need to know um how these pieces move. So we started with to arrange, knowing how to arrange, which you've known, and then we also went to knowing the names of these pieces. So now we are going to learn how these pieces move. So this is called a castle. Now this castle, how it moves is that it only moves in a straight line, provided it's not blocked. Like in this case, it can't move, it can't go anywhere. So you have to make space for this. If you want this piece to move, you have to make space. So it can only move like in case there's no this piece called pawn. It's not here, it's not there. It can move, it can come anywhere, provided there's nothing blocking. Unless if it's an opposition piece, like this piece is here. So it can actually, be removed or be eaten because it's an opposition. So it's attacking. But your own piece, you can't. So that's how it moves. Then this is called a knight. So how this moves, it makes a 7. A 7 in a sense that 7 or L, it must have 4 boxes. So you start counting where it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've seen, huh? You've seen?
I have.
So it can be an L in any direction. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as it's making an L and where it's going, there's no danger. You get. Then this, it's called a bishop. So this bishop, how it moves is it only moves in this same kind of color, like the way it is now. It's in a brown box, and it only moves also when there's no piece blocking. Like for example, this piece is not there, maybe it's here. So this bishop is able to move in that direction. So that's how it moves, only in brown boxes. If it's here, it can go here.
Okay.
Yes. So for example, it's here. It can eat this opposition piece or remove it from the game. Okay? Yeah, so that's how it moves. So as long as where it is, it's not blocked, it can move. Then this is the on of the game. It's a king. How the king moves, this piece doesn't move anyhow, because while you are playing the game is you are protecting this. You are attacking so that these guys, they don't come and remove this. When this piece is down, that's the end of the game. So you don't move this piece anyhow unless where necessary. This, and then also it only moves one step. Doesn't move a lot of boxes, doesn't jump. It only moves when there's space. Let's say here, one step. But this can move, it can jump a lot of boxes. Similar to this. This is a queen. So the queen moves in any direction, provided it's not blocked. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't matter whether it's in a brown or black box. As long as where it is, where it's want to go, there's space, it can go. So like in this case, here, if it's not there, it's here. There's this space. So it can easily come and munch this space and move it from the game. Okay? Yeah. So these are similar to the ones I'm from explaining. Now these are pawns. These they only move in the direction they are going. Like if it hasn't moved, it's here. If it's the first time to move, it can jump 2 boxes. If you want, it can only move 1 step. Then going forward, only 1 step each. Then how they eat these pieces. For example, we move this to there. So the way it is, it's either this can remove this piece from the game or this. So they actually handle each other diagonal position. You see, if they are like this, they can't remove each other from the game unless like that. You can easily, every piece where it comes across, it only eats it the diagonal direction, not straight. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Point taken. Any questions?
Taken.
No questions. Good. See you in the next game.
Bye.